among the grapes and mango bins. They giggled softly with sneaky grins. But soon the door gave out a squeak. The conductor's boots began to creak. Oh, Mr. Berry, kind and round, caught their giggles, turned around. Stowaways, he chuckled loud, but not at all the angry crowd. You love the train? Well, so do I. Come help us share our fruit supply. They tossed out apples, ripe and red, to market stalls and carts ahead. They filled the stands with plum and pear, and laughter danced through scented air. The town folks cheered with every crate. The kids had helped, it felt so great. And Timmy beamed from cheek to cheek. He found the joy he came to seek. At sunset's glow, the work was done, for all the day had been such fun. Now every week they ride with glee to